Hello everyone, we're going to try the new V-Spin wine decanter. What this is actually a premium wine aerator. It is supposedly able to aerate an entire bottle of wine for you in only 5 minutes, opposed to a regular decanter which you want to leave your wine in from 2+ hours. It is wireless, comes with a little velvet bag here. Inside you're going to have your base charging cable and your wall adapter. We've got your magnetic spinners, which is going to help spin the wine, decant it, get the air into it. We have your Durin crystal decanter. We've got your owner's manual here. A warranty card, 5 years commercial use, 10 years home. And we've got the base right there. Oh, and we've got the little item here to help retrieve the magnetic spinning stir stick after use. Alright, so what we're going to do is first open up our stir stick here. They give you an extra one in case you lose it. You can buy them on Amazon if you do lose it, your extra stir stick. I'm going to place it on the base. For our test today, I'm going to use a Cab Sauv. This is a wine that should be decanted. It's high in tannins. This particular bottle especially because it is very young. I'm going to keep enough wine left over in the bottle so that I can use it as a control when I compare it to the wine that comes out of the decanter. Now I'm going to do a few different trials here. The wine is already, the system is already set for 5 minutes, and a 5-minute session is going to be the equivalent of a 2-hour decanting. So we're going to see how that turns out. Afterwards we're going to move to 10 minutes and then 15 and see how they all compare to each other. You can see we're spinning now, so we're just going to wait for 5 minutes and see how it turns out. Alright, our first 5-minute session is done, so this should be the equivalent of a 2-hour decant. I'm going to start here with pouring our decanted wine. And I should mention as well that the base is actually set to do 5, 10, or 15 minutes. I just set it to the 5 though because we'll be doing it in 5-minute increments. Right, we have our control wine there, and yeah, I can taste the tannins in it. Still a little harsh. Let's go for a wine that's a little bit more opened up. Wow, right off the bat I can tell that the wine is really opened up more. It's really mellowed out. That's quite extraordinary actually. Set this for another 5 minutes. Alright, we've done a 10-minute decanting session now. Let's see how that compares to the 5 and the control. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's almost like when you have your glasses of water with a lot of water, a little bit less water, and a little bit less, and you kind of go ting, 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 and they all make a different sound. That's a little bit like the taste of this. You're just going down the scale of mellowness. It's really quite neat because I was not really sure if it would work that way, if the 5 would be the same as the 10. Pretty excited to try the 15 now actually. So let's turn it back on. Alright, we just finished our last 5-minute session, taking us to a full 15 minutes of decanting, which is the equivalent to 8 hours. Let's see how this one tastes. I was pretty shocked with the results of the others, to be honest. There is a little bit less change from the 15-minute to the 10. but more of a marketable difference between the 10 and the 5, that's for sure. And when it comes down to the non-decanted, it's quite different. You know, it's almost not even the same wine. Now, what I usually use is one of these bottle top aerators, and I'd be very interested to see how this compares to spending money on a decanter like this. Definitely not as mellow as the 15-minute wine here. It does work. I can tell already it's better than the control wine. I don't even need to taste that one again, but I do think it would be more similar to this 5-minute decanter. When you get into the 15 minutes, it's really something else, and I'm not sure why I would decant for 5 when I can get results like this in 15. So there we go. I hope you enjoy, and I'm a little skeptical how easy it is to get that magnet thing out, but let's try it. Oh, comes out just like that. Don't want to lose this down the sink. All right, have a good one.